আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আজকে আমরা আছি রেনেসার এসএসসি 26 ব্যাচের একটা স্পোকেন এর স্টুডেন্টের সাথে। আজকে আমরা তার স্পিকিং এর টেস্ট নিব। তো আমরা স্পিকিং টেস্টটা আইএলটিএস এর মতো করে নিব। দেখি সে কিরকম পারফর্ম করে। This is the International English Language Testing System speaking test conducted on Wednesday, 8th of July 2026, center number 50547, candidate name Afsin Jahan, candidate number 600336, examiner name Samshaharia Mufti, examiner number 409255. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Can you tell me your full name, please?
My full name is Afsin Jahan.
And what should I call you?
You can call me Afsin.
Okay, Afsin. Can you tell me where are you from?
I'm from Savar.
Okay. May I see your identification, please?
Sure.
Okay, there you go. Thank you. Now, in this first part, I would like to ask you some questions about yourself. Do you enjoy shopping? Why or why not?
I enjoy shopping when I have some specific purpose, like buying something and a gift for someone. And however, I'm not someone who shop for only entertainment. I browsing for hours and a bit tiring. And that's it.
Okay. Do you prefer shopping online or in stores?
I prefer a mix of both, depending on what I'm buying. I buy books online because it's convenient and also cheap. However, when I buy something expensive or buy clothes or foods, I prefer to go in physical stores because I can see and touch them and check their qualities before buying them.
Okay. How often do you go shopping?
I usually go shopping once a month with my family for essentials like groceries. I also, for other things like clothes or accessories, I go shopping once or twice in a month.
Okay. What do you most enjoy buying?
I really enjoy buying books, stationeries, and occasionally new clothes. There is something exciting in buying the books you have been waiting to read, and also new clothes keeps us joy.
Okay. Do you think people today buy more than they need?
Yes, I think so because nowadays online shopping and the social media have made it easier to buy something on impulse. Many people are influenced by uh, advertisement and trend, so they sometimes buy something they don't really need, and which is leads to unnecessary buying.
Okay, so that was the end of our part 1. So moving on to part 2, now I'm going to give you a topic and I'd like you to talk about for 1 to 2 minutes. Before you talk, you have 1 minute to think about what you're going to say. You can make some notes if you wish. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here is the piece of paper and pen for you. Your 1 minute starts now.
Okay, bye. Introduce
And the topic. And the topic is, describe a shopping experience that you remember well. Remember, you have 1 to 2 minutes for this, so don't worry if I stop you in the middle. I'll tell you when the time is up. Can you please start speaking now, please?
Yes, sure. Shopping experience that I experienced was buying a laptop for myself, which I needed for my classes, online classes. So on a weekend, I went with my father in a electronic shop. So then we checked some laptop and talked with the salespersons. They suggest a lot of laptop. First time I was a little bit confused for different kind of varieties and the skins. So and also the company of laptop. So finally, after 2 hours, I decided to buy a laptop. So then my father paid for it. So I was literally shaking for this laptop. So the day is memorable not for its laptop, but also the story, the meaning behind of it. My father worked very hard for this laptop. He is not very tech savvy, but he tried to plan the budget or fix the budget.
Okay. So thank you. That was the end of our round 2, part 2. We have been talking about shoppings and malls, right?
Yes.
And now I'd like to discuss with you 1 or 2 or 3 more general questions related to this. Let's consider first, how has online shopping changed consumer behavior?
Online shoppings are changed consumer behavior. So some pages are fraud. So when people with less social knowledge takes them, so they scam the people. And on the other hand, if they purchase product on the renewable pages, they can receive the a good product or the right product, I think.
Okay. What are the advantages and disadvantages of large shopping malls?
Firstly, I will talk about the advantage. The advantage of large shopping mall is there is various kind of options. People can choose what they want. They have many options like dresses, accessories. But on the other hand, the disadvantage of it is during Eid Fitr or some occasions, there are so much crowd in the shopping malls. So some people become sick or sometimes they fall malnutrition.
Okay. Last question. Do you think advertisements influence people's shopping decisions too much?
Of course, when people see new types of dresses or something they want to buy, so when they see it, they influence to buy it. As an example, someone who wants to buy a new type of clothes, so they're just scrolling Facebook and they see the clothes they want to buy it and influence to buy it, and then they order it and. So I think it's much
Influences. Okay.
was us.
Okay. So that was the end of her IELTS mock test. So thank you very much for giving us your time.